Your home's windows are more than functional, they're a defining feature of its exterior design. The right windows, when properly installed, can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, creating a lasting impression for neighbors, guests, and potential buyers. For homeowners in Kendall, where style and architecture play an essential role in the community's aesthetic charm, proper window installation is a critical investment. Here's how professionally installed windows can transform your home's exterior and boost its visual appeal. Achieve a polished and professional look. Even the most beautiful windows can lose their impact if they're poorly installed. Gaps, misaligned frames, or uneven caulking not only diminish the appearance of your home but can also lead to functional issues like drafts or water leaks. Professional window installation ensures that every window is perfectly aligned, sealed, and secured, creating a seamless and polished look that enhances your home's overall appearance. In Kendall, where homes range from Mediterranean-style villas to sleek modern designs, this attention to detail is key to maintaining your property's unique aesthetic. Complement your home's architectural style. Windows play a crucial role in defining the architectural character of your home. For example, large picture windows can emphasize the clean lines of a modern home, while arched windows add elegance to a Mediterranean-inspired property. Proper window installation ensures that the chosen style is harmoniously integrated into your home's facade. A skilled installer will account for factors such as size, proportion, and placement to ensure your windows look natural and balanced within the context of your home's design. This tailored approach helps maintain your property's architectural integrity while elevating its curb appeal. Highlight key features with customization. One of the advantages of modern window options is their versatility. From decorative grilles to unique frame finishes, customized windows allow you to showcase your personality and highlight key architectural features of your Kendall home. Proper installation ensures these custom elements are showcased to their fullest potential, enhancing your home's uniqueness and charm. For example, a bay window with a deep sill can create a focal point for your home's exterior, while matching the window trim to your home's color palette can tie the overall design together beautifully. Enhance natural light for a bright, inviting look. Natural light is a key element in creating an inviting home. Well-installed windows not only improve interior lighting but also enhance your home's exterior by giving it a bright, open, and welcoming appearance. Large, properly installed windows can make your home look more spacious and inviting, a feature that's especially appealing to potential buyers. For Kendall homeowners, where sunny weather is abundant, maximizing natural light can make your property shine and set it apart from others in the neighborhood. Increase energy efficiency and visual appeal. Energy efficiency and curb appeal go hand in hand. Modern, energy-efficient windows often feature clean lines and advanced glazing that not only enhance insulation but also contribute to a sleek, updated look. Proper installation ensures that these energy-efficient windows perform optimally, eliminating drafts and providing a clear, unblemished view. In Kendall, where air conditioning is a necessity, the energy savings from well-installed, high-performance windows can be a major selling point, all while enhancing your home's appearance. Prevent unsightly wear and tear. Improperly installed windows can lead to issues like water damage, warping, and peeling paint around the frames, all of which detract from your home's curb appeal. By hiring professionals to install your windows, you can ensure proper sealing and weatherproofing, protecting your home from the elements and maintaining its pristine exterior. This is particularly important in Kendall's humid climate, where moisture-related problems can quickly escalate if not addressed. Boost resale value. First impressions matter, especially in real estate. A home with beautiful, professionally installed windows stands out to potential buyers, often commanding higher offers. Properly installed windows send a message that your home is well maintained and updated, increasing its desirability in Kendall's competitive housing market. In addition to enhancing curb appeal, the functional benefits of professionally installed windows, like improved energy efficiency and noise reduction, make your home an attractive choice for buyers. Tailored solutions for your neighborhood. Kendall is a diverse community with a mix of architectural styles and homeowner preferences. Whether you're in a historic neighborhood or a newly developed area, professional window installers can provide tailored solutions that align with your property's unique characteristics and local trends. This ensures your windows enhance your home while blending seamlessly into the surrounding community. Final thought. Proper window installation is a transformative step in boosting your Kendall home's curb appeal. Beyond aesthetics, it ensures your windows perform effectively, providing energy efficiency, protection, and longevity. By partnering with a professional window installation service, you can enjoy a home that's not only visually stunning but also functional and valuable. Investing in proper window installation isn't just about upgrading your home. It's about creating a lasting impression that reflects your pride as a homeowner. With the right windows and expert installation, your Kendall property can become the envy of the neighborhood.